Hello students, today I will demonstrate how to perform the experiment study and testing of inverse type earth fault relay. This is a CDG type relay that means it is inverse type relay. When current is increasing, the fault current is increasing, that operating time will be decreased. So it is an inverse type relay. Now I will connect the circuit diagram for this experiment. This is our relay. At first I will remove its front cover. And this is our supply section and testing kit. This is timer set. This is MCB off on switch. This is a variac, and this is an ammeter to measure the supply fault current. This is on start switch and this is reset switch, and this is our relay contact. So at first we will connect the supply. At first we will connect At first we will connect the variac supply source to an ammeter for measuring the supply fault current to the relay, and then from ammeter we will connect the current input to the relay and the negative point of this input will be connected to the variac's other end. Okay. So this is NC contact for timer. So I will connect the NC contact to the timer circuit. And then one other end also will be connected to the timer circuit. This is timer circuit. Okay. And here is more one point, NO contact for trip alarm. So I have to connect the trip alarm circuit with this relay. When trip will occur, the alarm will be browsed. Okay, this is our connection from the variac supply. From the variac supply I have connected an ammeter, and from ammeter it is connected to the relay current supply input, and from negative point it has connected to the variac negative point. Okay. This is NC contact and it has been connected to the NC contact for timer and NO contact has been connected. Okay, now we will decrease the variac to its zero position and switch off for the supply. Okay, now I will supply on. MCB will be on and supply is on. Okay, this is a inverse type earth fault relay. This is an inverse type earth fault relay, and this is plug setting multiplier, and actual time is to be needed. There is a chart from which we can measure how much time it's needed to operate the relay, and this is time setting multiplier, that is TSM. At first we will set it into 1.0 position. Okay, this is one position, it has been setted. So the plug is setted. This is plug setting pin. Plug is setted into 0.5 ampere. So up to 0.5 ampere relay for 0.5 ampere current relay will be treated as is normal. But more than 0.5 ampere relay will be treated it as a fault current, and then relay will be operated. So up to 0.5 ampere relay does not operate. More than 0.5 ampere relay will be operated. So at first we will apply the current, we will apply 1 ampere current. So at first from start button we will start supply, then variac will be increased up to 1 ampere. Up to 1 ampere. Okay, this is 1 ampere. Then reset button will be placed and left relay to go to its zero position. Okay, now if I press the start button, 1 ampere instant current will be flow to the relay, and relay takes some time to operate, and we can count it from this timer circuit. Okay, now I will press the start button. So this is 1 ampere supply is on, and relay is moving, and timer is counting its time. Okay, so first reading is 13 seconds. If you on the trip alarm, then a trip sound will be occurred. Okay, then I will press it to its zero position. Okay, then by pressing reset button, supply will be off, and then we will adjust the time setting multiplier into 0.9. Okay, then we will press the start button and relay will start to operate. Relay is moving. Look here, relay is moving. And it has been tripped. It is 12 seconds. Okay, then just set the time supply, rest it in its zero position, and then adjust the time setting multiplier to the 0.8. Okay, then start button will be pressed. Timer is on, it is counting the time, supply is 1 ampere and relay is operating. Okay, and time is 10 seconds. Okay, so we have got the operating time for 1 ampere supply. Just observe it, when we sending 1 ampere supply and plug setting is in 0.5 ampere, then plug setting multiplier will be 1 by 0.5, that is 2. So for 2 from this chart you can get, for 2 plug setting multiplier the actual operating time will be 10 seconds. Okay, it will be needed after for the calculation after completing the experiment. So now we will adjust the supply voltage, supply current into 2 ampere. Okay, then reset button will be pressed and time setting multiplier into 1 position. Okay, then we will press the start button, relay is operating. Sorry, current has been increased, so we have to slightly decrease the supply current. So we can't assume the last reading. Now I am on the supply current. So now I will press the start button. Relay is operating and time is 6 seconds. Okay, then reset button will be pressed and to its 0 position. And the timer set it into time setting multiplier set it into 0.9. Okay, then start button will be pressed. Relay is moving. Is tipped, that is 6 seconds. Then reset it and timer set it into 0.8. Time setting multiplier set it into 0.8. Then start button will be pressed. Relay is moving. This has been tripped. This is 5 seconds. Okay, so for 2 ampere we have collected 3 readings. Then we will apply 3 ampere for this relay. So we will increase the current. This is given an voltage source, so actual current Okay. Then reset button will be on. By pressing reset button, you have to supply off, and then the time setting multiplier will be set into 1.0. Okay. Then I will press the start button and relay is moving. Okay. This is 5 seconds. Okay. Then it will be off and it will be set in time setting multiplier. You will be set into 0.9. Then start button will be pressed. Look, 3 ampere supply is on and relay is operated. The operating time is 4 seconds. Okay. Then by pressing this reset button, you have to supply off and leave the relay to rest its 0 position. Then you have to set the time setting multiplier to the 0.8. Okay. And press the start button. Supply is on, relay is moving. Okay. It's tripped. This is 4 seconds. So we have collected the 9 reading for this relay. This is a CTG type relay, that is inverse type relay. Here is a chart. Look here. Here is a chart by which we can calculate the actual operating time for this relay for when PSM is 2. Look here, when PSM is 2, actual time is 10. When PSM is 3, actual time is 6.3, 6.2 or 3. When PSM is 4, then actual time is 4.9. When PSM is 6, actual time is 3.8 or something. So we have got the operating time of this relay, and from this chart we have got the actual operating time. Then we will tally the results and calculate the error of this relay. Okay. So now we will calculate, we will create the data sheet and calculate the error of this relay. We have completed the experiment. So now you have to switch off and MCB should be off. Now you have to open the circuit. And cover the relay immediately after the experiment, because relay is a sophisticated instrument, so dust can be effect on it and make an error of its operating system. So we have to cover it up for after every experiment we have done. Okay. This is our experiment testing of earth fault relay, testing the characteristic of earth fault relay. So we have completed it. Now we will discuss about the data sheet and the graph. Okay. Now this is the data sheet for our experiment, data for inverse type earth fault relay. So we have taken 9 readings. Plug setting was in 0.5 and fault current I have set to 1 ampere, 2 ampere and 3 ampere. So when fault current is 1 ampere, then PSM means plug setting multiplier will be fault current divided by plug setting, that is 2. and when it is fault current is 2, then 2 divided by 0.5, that is 4, will be plug setting multiplier, and then 6 will be plug setting multiplier. And we have taken the TS time setting multiplier in 1, 0.9 and 0.8. So I have listed this, and operating time is taken 12, 11 and 10 second for first time, 6, 5 and 4 second for second time, 4, 3, 3 second for third time. Then by font panel we can get the actual time of operating time of this relay, that is 10, 9, 8 second. Then we have to calculate the percent of error of this relay.